Okay, we're going to compare these fractions and using less than, equal to, or the greater. And we're always comparing the first fraction to the everything behind it. And that's why we know is the first one less, equal to, or greater than the last one. So I'm going to go through my 4-time table so I can get these denominators to become equivalent. My 4-time table is 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. Now my 2-time tables are 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Now, what is the least common? That'll be the 4 right here. And the multiplier for 4 to get 4 is 1. So times 1 here and times 1 there. To get the 4 from the 2-time tables, it's 1, 2. So it's times 2 again. Now, 3 times 1 and 4 times 1 will be 3 and 4. 2 times 1 and 2 times 2 will be 2 and 4. And I can see here that 3 over 4 is greater than 2 over 4. The 3 is greater than 2. So we're going to use a greater than sign. So the first one is greater than the second one. 3/4 is greater than 1/2. Now comparing 2/5 to 1/2. Let's see if 2/5 is greater than, less than, or equal than 1/2. Now my 5-time tables are 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. My 2-time tables are 2, 4, 6, 8, that again 8, and 10. And when I compare, their least common will be the 10. Okay, so let's make this into 10. So 5 times 2 and times 2 here is my multiplier. And get 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's times 5 times 5. Okay, now what we're going to get is 2 times 2 and 5 times 2. The answers will be 4 and 10. Here we get 5 times 1 and 5 times 2. Those answers are 5 and 10. I can see that my 5 tenths is bigger than my 4 tenths. So this is actually less, the 2/5 is actually less than the 1/2. So we use a less than sign. 2/5 is less than 1/2. Okay, so let's go to this one right here. 15-time tables. I like the 15-time tables. They're not that bad for me. I like those. So my 15-time tables will be 15, 30, 45, 60, and 75. The 10-time tables are very easy, very nice. 10, then there's 20, 30, 40, and 50. Now, the least common, common means same, and this, I think 30 when it's common. The smallest common. So from 15 to 30 is times 2, so we're going to use times 2 here and times 2 here. To go from 10 to a 30, that's times 3, so the multiplier will be 3 and times 3. Okay, here 8 times 2 and 15 times 2. 8 times 2 is 16, 15 times 2 is 30. Here, 3 times 5 and 3 times 10. 3 times 5 is 15, and 3 times 10 is 30. And now we have numerators where I see the 16 is greater than 15, so that means that the 8 15s is greater than the 5 tenths. Okay, so greater, so I use a greater than sign. Now, to compare 4/8 to 2/4. My 8-time tables will be 8, 16, 24, 32, and 40, whereas my 4-time tables are 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. And what do they have in common, or the least common, is 8. So starting off at 8, this is times 1 and then times 1 again. In the 4-time tables, this is times 2. Times 2. All right, so 4 times 1 and 8 times 1 gives us 4 and 8. 2 times 2 and 2 times 4 gives us 4 and 8. And these are the same, 4/8 and 4/8. So these two are actually equal to each other. 4/8 is equal to 2/4.